Email marketing for beginners. How to get rapid conversions. Alright, so let's talk about email marketing. Email marketing is the means of communicating with customers and prospects via email. It enables you to increase sales and conversion rates by giving customers and subscribers useful information to assist them in achieving their objectives with minimal effort. For internet marketers, email marketing can be very effective and can sometimes be the only means to communicate your message to potential prospects. In this article, we will discuss some email marketing tips that may prove useful to you. If used correctly and effectively, email marketing can increase your income and profit substantially. Want to find out more? Stay tuned until the end to find out some of the best beginner-friendly email marketing strategies. Before going any further, make sure you subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, let's begin. Email marketing for beginners. When utilizing email marketing, it is important that you understand the value and importance of email marketing for beginners. Beginners are often overwhelmed by the amount of information available on the internet, and email marketing can seem like a daunting task. For beginners, it is important that you pick a subject line that states the purpose of the email. You should never send promotional emails to individuals or contacts whom you have never met. Instead, build relationships and trust by sending personalized email marketing emails to your subscribers. Email marketing strategy. Email marketing is most effective when you add a CTA to your emails. This CTA should lead the reader to a page where you can further learn more about your product or services. In many email marketing tutorials, you will be taught to create a squeeze page with an autoresponder to ask your subscribers to join your list just before opening their email. When creating your squeeze page, make sure you include a strong call to action which encourages your subscriber to click on your link and submit their email to your list. An email marketing tutorial will teach you how to create effective and persuasive CTAs. Once you've created your email marketing campaign, you need to track your progress. There are a number of excellent tools available to assist you in this process, most of which are free. Some of the tracking features included within the software include conversion graphs, average open rates, and click-through rates. These performance indicators are important as they will allow you to identify what group of subscribers are performing better than others. It may also be useful to review the performance of your email marketing campaign to identify areas that you can improve in order to increase conversion rates. Conversion rates are an indication of the success of email marketing as a whole and are often affected by numerous factors. Audience selection and email marketing tutorials. Your email marketing campaign should be targeted to a particular audience. Email marketing tutorials will teach you how to choose the right subscribers for email marketing. Targeting your email campaigns to specific groups of people ensures that you are only sending email to people interested in the information contained within your email. There are many ways you can target your email marketing list, and the most popular method is to email marketing list leads. Make sure you only ever send email to people on the email marketing list who have given permission for your email to be sent to them. Many people place a tick box next to each email they send. This enables you to know if the recipient wants your email. Make sure you use email marketing tips which involve the subject line. Make sure your subject line stands out. If you can create an email which stands out from the rest, then you are more likely to increase the chances of your email being sent. And that brings this video to an end. If you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. See you next time.